I go to wesleyvirgin.com because he's so transparent.
I started listening to Wesley Virgin, completely changed my life, it changed my business, it changed everything.
These videos have been like a catalyst to my dreams, you know, to my goals and to my higher self, to my best version of me.
His new audio series has like revolutionized my life.
Wesley Virgin is quite different than any other motivational speaker I have ever listened to.
This disc set will be a life changer for you.
You're so blunt, so bold, so honest. I've never met a millionaire like you.
I highly recommend the Wesley Virgin Unrevealed Secrets of the Millionaire Mind. Check that out. You know, this guy definitely knows what he's talking about, and you know, nothing less.
Take a second to look below, and I want you to watch and listen to every video. And once you get the CDs, I want you to start with day one, and I have a special letter in them that I'm going to write personally for you. It's going to be a life changer for you. Hey, much love. Start below. I think it's down here. You can go ahead and go down here right now while I'm talking. All I ask you to do when you make your first million, maybe it's 12 months, 1 year, I don't know, maybe 6 months, I want you to pay it forward to somebody else. I made a promise to myself, I made a promise to God, and promised to people that watch me around the world. I have millions of people that watch me around the world. And I made this promise. I said, if I would ever make $1 million, if I would ever figure out through all the distractions of the world to make money, I would share with people like you that want to win.